What if an Olympiad problem told you to tame hyperbolic giants? A few minutes of bewilderment, then a flash of insight. The identity cosh²x minus sinh²z equal to 1 is your secret weapon. Below is a step-by-step walk through that turns this intimidating expression into a pair of elegant, exact answers. So the Olympiad-style puzzle collapses to a neat, closed-form pair of solutions, just the way a champion would expect.